Hey, thanks for clicking on my video. I have a Trijicon RMR HD Type 2 here. I just got this in via my friend Henry. He owns a firearm store in Alabama. I will put his information in the descriptions below. He has about 5 left. I got this for $680. I think that's a steal regarding the fact that it's 1, really hard to come by, and 2, some stores are selling for about 800 plus, so if you really want to get your hands on one, feel free, hit my friend up, Henry. I'll have his information down in the descriptions below. All right, it's a quick unbox. So this is just your Trijicon RMR HD boxing. What's a little different is they just have the sticker that says RMR HD. Your back has your serialized numbers and everything like that. Nothing crazy. Made in the United States. That's what you want to see in here. Open this up, and there you go. This is the Type 2, which is a 3.25 MOA vertical. Has a little 3.25 MOA dot with a little donut that looks like, kind of reminds me of an EOTech. Let me turn this on really quick. It's kind of hard to focus or see it. So, yeah. The brightness is amazing. Buttons are really tactile. This is a top loader one where the batteries are on the top, so you don't have to remove the screws to replace it like the regular Type 1 and Type 2. In the box has your screws. Looks like a Torx bit, Torx T10 or T20, I'm not sure. Comes with some screws with some Loctite on it. Typical Trijicon information pamphlets regarding warranties and other products that they have here. Trijicon sticker. And the tool to open up the battery compartment. All right, that's basically it. Really, really rugged, durable housing. It's like a cross between a Type 2 or RMR Type 1 and a SRO. Same footing as the RMR, so it'll fit any plates that has RMR design. I think it's waterproof up to like 6 meters. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. That's the light sensor, so it kind of like detects and changes the brightness. You really can't see it now, but it does that. So cool, fun toy. I'm gonna put this on my Legion. Just gonna replace it with this. So this is going to be replaced, and yeah, I think that'll be pretty cool. All right, stay tuned. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.